Hello everyone. Today we will be doing international organizations. We will be seeing what all international organizations are there and some other details about them. So let's start. Firstly, let's start with United Nations. It was founded on 1945. So it is basically after the World Wars. It was founded just to have some peace in the world and have some law and organization to maintain peace in the world. So it was founded for that very purpose. It was founded on 24th October 1945. Headquarters are located in New York City, and total 193 countries are member nations. Basically, almost all the countries in the world are member nations of United Nations. Now, United Nations has few principal bodies within itself, principal organs which are known as. One of them is United Nations Security Council. So it is the primary one of the six principal organs of United Nations. It is basically responsible for maintaining international peace and security, and it was established in 1945 only, and its headquarters are in the same place as the UN headquarters in New York City. Total 5 permanent members are there: China, France, Russia, UK, USA. Point to be noted here that India is not a permanent member of UN Security Council, and 10 non-permanent members are there, which change after every 2 years. These 10 non-permanent members are there for 2 years only. After 2 years, there would be new 10 countries which would be non-permanent members of the Security Council of United Nations. And these 5 members, these are permanent members. They will be forever part of United Nations Security Council. And also, point to be noted here, permanent members have veto power. For example, if there is some resolution in the United Nations and there is voting going on, so even if 14 members, total 15 members are there, 5 permanent and 10 non-permanent. So even if 14 members of the UNSC vote for the resolution and one permanent member does not vote for the resolution, it votes against the resolution, then the resolution won't be passed. So that is the power of veto power of permanent members in Security Council of United Nations. Let us move ahead. This is International Court of Justice. This is again one of the 6 principal organs of United Nations. It is basically judicial organ of United Nations. It settles disputes between states. States here mean countries. So if any two countries have any dispute, they can go to International Court of Justice to demand justice for them. And it was established in 1945 again, the same year as United Nations was established, under UN Charter. There is a charter, UN Charter, under which these 6 principal organizations are found, and some other details are also about them, UN. And its headquarters are located in Netherlands. It is the principal organ whose headquarters are not located as in the same place as UN's headquarters are located, which we just saw in New York City. But International Court of Justice headquarters are located in Netherlands. There are total 15 judges are elected. So in International Court of Justice, the bench is of 15 judges, and they are elected for a term of 9 years. So imagine today those 15 judges are elected. So after 9 years, there would be 15 judges would be again elected. But these 15 can also be re-elected. Anyone can be re-elected out of those 15. And any other new judge can also be elected. So let's move ahead. Now let's talk about International Monetary Fund. It was founded on 1945. And the IMF is not a principal organ of UN. It is independent of that. So it was founded on 27 December 1945, and its headquarters are located in Washington, DC. And total 191 countries are member nations of IMF. So almost all the countries are member nations of IMF, including India. India is also a part of it. Now let's talk about World Bank. World Bank was founded in 1944, but its operation started in 1946. After 2 years of foundation, its operation started. Its headquarters are located in Washington, DC. So basically, World Bank, again, it is for funding. It is for poor countries, for developing countries. If there is some financial assistance required, some funding required, it is basically for that. Total 189 countries are member nations. So again, almost all the countries in the world are member nations of World Bank, including India. India is also a part of it. World Trade Organization, WTO. Now, it was founded kind of recently in 1995, 31 years ago. So as we saw previously, many organizations were found years ago, 80 years ago, around 1945, 1949. So this was founded in 1995. Its headquarters are located in Geneva, Switzerland, and total 166 countries are member nations of this organization, including India. India is also a part of it. Now let's move to World Health Organization. It was founded in 1948. Its headquarters are also located in Geneva, Switzerland. Now total 194 countries are member nations, which means almost all countries in the world, and India is also a part of this organization. Let's move ahead. Now let's talk about Association of Southeast Asian Nations, which short form of it is also ASEAN. So it was founded in 1967. Its headquarters are located in Jakarta, Indonesia. Total 10 countries are only part of it, as you can also infer from the name that Southeast Asian nations are there. So not many nations would be part of it. So total 10 are only part of it. And also India is not a part of it. Let's move ahead. Now let's talk about BRICS. Its full form would be Brazil, B for Brazil, R for Russia, I for India, C for China, S for South Africa. Now, this is not really an organization, first of all. This is just an annual summit which happens in different countries out of the members of this organization. So this is kind of annual summit only, not a foundation or organization. So initially it was not BRICS, it was BRIC only. So South Africa was not there. Later South Africa also joined it. And its first meeting was held on 16 June 2009. Total 11 countries are member nations now. Recently, only 1-2 years ago, 6 countries also joined it. Initially, there were 5 only. Yeah, let's move ahead. It doesn't really have any headquarters, as I said that it is not really an organization, so it doesn't have any headquarters. Now let's move to Group of 20, G20. This was founded in 1999. Its member nations, it has 19 countries as members, plus African Union and European Union is also a part of it. Now, India is a part of it. Point to be noted, India is a part of the G20. And India also hosted a G20 summit, I guess, a few years ago, 1-2 years ago. And again, it is not an organization. It is just an annual summit which happens, and 20 countries, 19 countries and AU and EU participate in it. So it doesn't have any headquarters as it's not an organization. Now let's move to Shanghai Cooperation Organization, SCO. Now it was founded in 2001. Its headquarters are located in Beijing, China. Now, as the name suggests, Shanghai Cooperation Organization, it would be organization where mostly Asian countries would be there. So not much countries would be there. So only total 10 countries are members of it. We saw one more organization which only had 10 members as the nation. If you remember, ASEAN, Southeast Asian. Let me go back to the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. This also had 10 countries. But the difference is that ASEAN did not have India as part of it. But Shanghai Cooperation Organization, India is a part of this organization. So there's a key difference between these two. Let's move ahead. Now, NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. As the name suggests, that it would be an organization which would mainly have European nations in it. Majority of the nations would be European nations. So, as the name suggests, North Atlantic, majorly European nations are part of it, and it was founded in 1949. Its main aim is that if any European nation is attacked by any other nation, then it can request for help from other nations which are part of NATO. It will receive help from other nations. So it is basically a unity kind of organization where European nations are united, and if any nation is attacked, then any other nation can help the nation which is in despair. So its headquarters are located in Brussels, Belgium, and total 32 countries are member nations. Point to be noted here, India is not a part of NATO, as well as Russia is also not a part of NATO.